So today we're going to be doing a get ready with me. I have a party to go to tonight that's like kind of formal dress, and so I went to record doing my makeup, kind of give you some tips and tricks, and kind of just chat with you. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to be starting off with the Fix and Rouge Illuminating Primer, and then we're going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. I love to blend illuminating and matte products for the base because I think it still gives you a glow without you having to worry about it breaking down during the day and getting oily. So I love to kind of use a combination, and then I'm just taking a beauty blender and blending that out. Then I'm going to be taking my It Eye Concealer from It Cosmetics as well as a small foundation brush. Going to be blending that right under. Don't worry, I will bake. Then I'm going to be using the my beauty blender, blending that right under, as well as baking with the AirSpun powder. And while I'm baking, which you can kind of see in the video, I'm also going to be just putting a light wash of powder all along the face, making sure everything's kind of set into place. So there I am with the baking. Everything's happening. Get the neck, girl. Then I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Carousel palette. That's in Chocolate Soleil. And that is the Real Techniques brush that's supposed to be for foundation, but I love it for contour. I'm just going to contour the cheekbones. There's the brush there. I'm going to contour the cheekbones, going to give myself a jawline by kind of putting that Chocolate Soleil right under. And then I'm just going to do a little bit on the forehead as well, just kind of warming it up, kind of using it as a bronzer, but a natural bronzer, if that makes sense. So just going to be rubbing that all in. I like to connect it and doing the nose a little bit. So that is the Pixi highlight. I'm going to take this right under my eyes, just like that, and as well as my, like that Cupid's bow, as well as the chin and a little bit of the nose, just a little glow there. Like I said, kind of mixing matte and illuminating. Then we're going to go in with another Too Faced product. That is the Peach Bellini, I think it is, blush. It's so natural. It's matte. It's gorgeous. And it's just very warm, which is something you need at this time of the year. I'm going to go in with my brow pencil, which I'll leave a link in the description below. I kind of start right at the arch, and then I kind of bring it in and feather it out. One of the things I love about this is that it has a spoolie, and so it can get a really natural looking brows from it because you put the spoolie. That's the Perlice Be Your Selfie right there, as well as a blending brush. Gonna take that kind of, it's got a little bit of pink in it, but for the most part it's a silver pewter shimmer color. Gonna put that all over the lid, getting a good base for the rest of our look. I'm just doing a wash all over the lid, really paying attention though to the inner corner of my eyes and making sure that it's got a very good color there. I find that once I start my makeup or my eye look, that sometimes I forget. So really at the beginning, I try to set it up. Then I'm going to go in with that gorgeous red color, and I'm going to start blending this at the crease, and then I'm really going to take it a step further. I am going to put this kind of over the second half of the eye, going from the crease and really bringing it into the eye, not focusing so much on the base, but fanning it out as you can see in the video, and really trying to get a really good red color. But like I said, a lot of it is going on the crease, but I'm really making sure it kind of gets blended out more into the middle of the eye. Then I'm going to be taking this brush as well and just further putting it on the base, that beautiful red color, making sure everything gets blended really nicely, because this next step, we want everything to be blended just beautifully. So I'm going to put that, and I'm just kind of starting at the middle of the eye and working my way out. Then I'm going to be taking that beautiful brown color, and that is I'm just going to go in with like little windshield wiper motions and just straight on the crease, you know, kind of blending it out, but really staying focused on the crease and kind of that dramatic, you know, kind of cat eye shape look. Then I'm going to go in with my Eco Tools brush as well as this neutral color. I'm going to highlight under the brow bone as well as blend everything out and just give it a little bit of color under there where the eye look and the brow bone meet. Make sure that everything's blended out and it's got some good color there. Then I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to be using that gorgeous red metallic shade. I'm also going to be using the MAC Fix Plus spray, and watch me accidentally spray $5 out of this bottle. Because my first time using the mini bottle, I'm like, oh gosh, there goes 25 cents with that drip. So going to be putting that all over the brush and then taking that red shade, and I'm really going to be focusing on the middle of the eye. Not focusing too much on either way, just straight in the middle of the eye, putting it right in the middle there and really adding some intrigue there. I've been loving this look. My cat's also going crazy in the background. Don't know if you can tell that. Thanks, Poppy. But really kind of bringing it up and keeping it in the middle. And I think it really added some dramatic effects. Then I'm going in with, that is a Revlon brush that I cannot live without. And I'm going to put this lovely rustic brown, kind of, yeah, definitely rust colored. It has a little bit of red, but it's kind of neutral. And I'm going to put that right under the eye, right under the waterline, starting at the corner, kind of where you see that shadow falls a little bit, and connecting the two parts there. So I'm just going to go in, and I'm making incredible faces right now, but I'm just going to go in and blend that out. And then I'm going to go in after this with the Jaclyn Hill red color and blend that out even more. There I go. And I think that really helps blend the rest of the shades out. And then I'm going to go in with the ColourPop eyeliner and put that on the waterline just like that, kind of adding some dramatic effect. Okay, wow, so it stopped recording on me, but basically I just used, where is it? I use the MAC mascara as well as an eyelash curler, and what I do is I put the mascara on, curl the, well, the first coat, curl the lashes, let one side dry, do the other side, curl the lashes, and by that time hopefully like the curl has kind of like set in place, if that makes sense, and I do another layer. So sorry I didn't show that, but this is the final look, minus lips, minus lips. Then I'm going to make this extraordinary face as I put on the Lorac Pro Matte Lipstick. I'm going to leave a link down below on the exact color, but I love this color. And there's the look, the eye makeup look. I think it turned out great, very natural. Then I'm going to do my hair. So that's the John Freida Frizz Ease Heat Protectant Spray. Gotta protect your hair, girl. Gotta protect your hair. Then I'm going to brush it through. Then I'm going to be using the Not Your Mother's Texturizing Spray. Pro tip, do this after you straighten, not before, because I did it before and that was not a good time with using the straightener. It made it much more difficult. Thought I was going to put my hair up, did not put my hair up. So I'm just going to go in, mostly straightening, but right at the end, I'm going to curl in and just kind of give it some body and just a little bit of bounce and a wave, but nothing dramatic. They all kind of turned out different. I'm going to do that all over my hair and end by spraying the Dove Volumizing Hairspray all over the look, pushing at the roots to make sure I get all that volume. And then we're done, guys. We're done.